Welcome to the tutorial series teaching you how to use the various analysis functions found on MyNASA Data's visualization tool, the Earth System Data Explorer. You can find relevant links in the video description. This video explores how to use the time plot analysis tool to create a plot of a single variable over time or a double line plot with two variables over time. We have already selected the monthly surface air temperature file for June of 2025 and zoomed in on the map. If you need help with these functions, please see the Introduction to the Earth System Data Explorer tutorial. The time plot function allows you to create a time plot of a data set selected for one or more variables. The plot is over time and it is for only one location. To enter the time plot function, you will click the time plot button and the instructions will be displayed on the right-hand side. You can enter in a latitude and longitude, or you can select one on the map. I will select a location. You will see that the location selected is centered on the map, and there is a black dot at that location. You may then select the time range for the plot. In this case, I will select 2020 January through 2025 December. And I will click Generate Plot. The time plot generated will appear above a smaller version of the map that still has the location selected in the center. You can scroll over points in the plot in order to see the values at that point. There is a title. The vertical y-axis is labeled, and the horizontal x-axis is time. You can expand by clicking the pop-out button and get a larger version of the graph as well. You can still hover over points to find the values, and you can download a PNG version, which can be used for various reporting and lesson plan options. Going back, you will see that there is also an option to check the box to add a second variable. When this box is checked, there are selection criteria for the second data set. In this case, I am going to choose atmosphere, long and short wave radiation at the Earth's surface, and the data set will be the monthly flow of energy into the surface by shortwave radiation. And I will generate the plot. Now there is a double line plot, and again, you can scroll over them and display points for both lines. Note that the line definitions are defined in the legend and that there are two y-axes. They are labeled. In this case, we have the flow of energy into the surface is the left-hand axis, and the surface air temperature is the right. Again, I can pop out and get the larger version. I can still scroll over the points and see the values. And again, I can download the PNG. So this is a great way to look at data over time for a particular location and to see two variables for that location. Like all of the analysis tools, when you have finished, you need to exit the tool. See our other videos for details on each of the analysis tools and data download options at our YouTube channel, which is linked in the description.